The Yasurin International Preparatory School Bangkok, or DPrep, is a school that believes that happiness and success has to happen together. We follow the international curriculum and the IB system. We teach in 3 languages: English, Thai, and Chinese. We truly believe in a balanced development of the child. This includes academic, social and emotional development, creativity and curiosity, as well as parent involvement and contribution to the community at large. We believe that the most effective learning happens when students are having fun, and so we follow the project-based learning approach, and we also follow the approaches from Reggio Emilia in Italy that encourages imagination and creativity, as well as the teaching practices of Finland, one of the world's leading top countries in education. We intentionally designed our school building and all our school facilities so that it will be creative and will be beautiful so that students will feel inspired when they come to school. Our school's philosophy is mainly inspired by the teachings of His Majesty King Rama IX, in that all learning should have a purpose, should be meaningful, and that knowledge should be used to solve one's life problems and the problems in society. Our greatest goal is to make sure that every one of our students develop the courage to dream, to discover who they are and their full potential, and also to create positive change to themselves and to others at the same time.